Hello everyone! Welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. In today's drawing tutorial, we're creating one of the funniest and most lovable animated characters ever made, Alex the lion from Madagascar. Alex is famous for his confident personality, hilarious expressions, and unforgettable adventures with Marty, Melman, and Gloria. His large, fluffy mane and expressive face make him an exciting character to draw. Let's begin by sketching the basic outline of the head. Keep your pencil strokes light so they're easy to erase if you need to make adjustments. Focus on getting the overall proportions right before adding details. Next, we'll draw Alex's large mane. Instead of drawing every strand of hair, use smooth curved lines to create a soft, fluffy appearance. The mane is one of Alex's most recognizable features, so take your time with this step. Now we move on to the facial features. Draw the eyes first, making sure they're evenly spaced. Then add the large nose, smiling mouth, and teeth. Alex always has a cheerful and energetic expression, so keeping the smile wide will really bring the drawing to life. After finishing the face, let's sketch the body. Since Alex is shown running toward us, the arms and legs use a slightly exaggerated perspective. The front paw appears larger because it's closer to the viewer. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. Immediately, small adjustments can make a big difference. Next, draw the legs and feet using smooth, flowing curves. Add the tail with the fluffy tuft at the end, which is another signature feature of Alex. Once the entire outline is complete, erase any unnecessary construction lines. Now it's time for the most satisfying part, inking the drawing. Use confident, steady strokes to create clean outlines. Thicker outlines around the outer edges help the character stand out, while thinner lines can be used for smaller details, like the mouth, fur, and paws. If you'd like to color the drawing later, Alex usually has golden yellow fur, a light cream muzzle and belly, brown mane shading, and a black tail tuft. Using colored pencils or markers can really make the character pop. Drawing cartoon characters is a fantastic way to improve your observation skills, line confidence, and understanding of proportions. Every drawing teaches something new, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't perfect. Practice consistently, and you'll notice improvement with every sketch. I'd love to know which cartoon or animated character you'd like to see next. Leave your suggestions in the comments below, and your idea could be featured in an upcoming tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to Hobbyist Artist and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new drawing tutorial. I upload exciting characters from cartoons, anime, movies, superheroes, and much more. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep creating, and most importantly, keep enjoying art. I'll see you in the next drawing tutorial. Happy drawing!